Hey, good morning, sir.
How you doing?
I'm good. Are you working, huh?
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm
All
sorry,
right.
too.
All right. I'm Nat, by the way.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, too. How long has it been dead for?
I don't even know, man.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah, it's one of those situations. Like I said, I have another car.
Gotcha.
I've neglected this one, unfortunately.
That happens.
But I'm moving, so I need to get it out of here.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. All right. Well, let me grab my tester
Okay.
and we'll test the battery and get you jump started.
I'm trying to sell a car, but if I can, the battery's all it needs. I may just keep it for a little bit longer.
If you don't drive them for a while, there's a lot of systems in the BMWs that are running even when the car's off, right? So they drain pretty quickly. BMWs, Mercedes, Land Rovers, they all have these passive systems that just kind of run in the background and just. I used to be a general manager for CarMax, right? And anytime anybody wanted to test drive a BMW or a Mercedes or a Land Rover, or whatever, we had to jump start them because if they sat for more than a week to 2 weeks, the battery just drains. So if once I jump start it, you got two choices, right? You can either drive somewhere to go get it or have me install a battery. If I install the battery, you don't have to worry about it again, right? You can drive it, you can run it, you could sell it, do whatever, test drive it. If not, as soon as you turn it off, it's not going to start again, and you're going to need a jump start to get somewhere again. So just kind of keep that in mind. Okay. Unfortunately, but go ahead, you can start it now. Should start. Yep.
I haven't heard that sound come from that car before.
Yeah. So there's nothing wrong with your car. It's just sat so long the battery's dead.
So how much do you like?
It's too so. From us for having the convenience of me doing it here, it's about $30 more. So instead of $215 plus tax, it's going to be $248 plus tax.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah. Then you won't have to worry about it again.
Yeah,
like literally.
The guy that wants to buy it from me, I came down so low on the price. So, because I told him it wasn't running, and he was just going to get a new battery anyway.
Oh no, you would have.
Yeah.
Yeah, he would have made out tremendously because all you need is a battery. What was that guy going to give you for this?
I was going to give it to him for $1,500.
Oh, dude, no. You'll get several thousand for how many miles it got on it?
103.
And it's running?
Yeah. Now it is.
Yeah, you're gonna get way more than that. I would venture to say somewhere between 5 and 8. All right, sir, you're all set. You have a blessed day, okay, man?
Oh, thank you, Nat. I really appreciate your help, man.
My pleasure, man.
You helped me out a lot.
All right, take care. Good luck selling it.